Hi, everyone. Welcome, in this video. This is especially made for someone aspiring to be an engineer, aspiring to be a better student, aspiring to be good influencer, and we can use it even at our work to be good at it. Presenting herein is the art of taking notes. This video explains the 4 simple tips of taking or making notes. Before we continue, kindly support this channel by liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Thank you. Tip number 1. Prepare yourself and be ready for learning. If you will study, set your mind fully occupied for that study. Remember to understand and think why this study or learning is necessary. Concentrate on the moment of your lesson or fully understand the topic or views someone is speaking or narrating. Remember, when you're studying, put all of your mind in that moment for study and do not entertain other things on it. Tip number 2. Prepare your necessary notebook, paper or anything where you can jot down your notes, including the pens, pencils or laptop or cellular phone, whatever is available and convenience with you. Do not go to war without a gun. Knowledge for survival. In this case, we should prepare things, tools or equipment necessary for study and note-taking. Prepare the necessary things for learning. Tip number 3. Write the conclusion and/or important points. Write the summary of what the speaker, teacher or instructor is speaking. Or write the summary of your lesson or the one you are reading or studying. Write it the way you can easily understand. You may have a color coding in your notes, like for examples blue text for the main word and green text for the definition or important wording related to the main word and etc. Tip number 4. Review your notes just after the class or study session. Make it clear all of your writing, and if possible, you can discuss with your classmates or someone on your group. This is for you to fully understand your lesson by explaining it to someone. If the one you are talking understands your explanation, it is evident that you understand the lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.